Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix connection problem or invalid MMI code on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just check if the code you're entering is correct or not. Most of the time, this error appears when the code you have entered is incorrect. Just like that. Now if the code you have entered is correct, but this error still appears, just open Settings, Connections, SIM Manager, enable your SIM card. Then go back, Mobile Networks, enable VoLTE, Network Mode, select LTE, and if your area supports 5G, select 5G. Go back, General Management, Reset, Reset Mobile Network Settings, Reset Settings, enter your code, Reset. If you have done that and if this error still appears, just take out the SIM card of your smartphone, then insert it back in. And if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix connection problem or invalid MMI code on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.